In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you were removed from the match in Fortnite. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're playing a game in Fortnite and suddenly you were removed from the lobby, uh, I am going to show you how to fix it. So the first thing we want to do is to go open our task manager. So from here, let's just select on details and scroll down until we find our Fortnite game. So this is the Fortnite application. So what we want to do is to just go and right click and go to set priority and make sure that it is set to high. So the next thing we want to do is to close our task manager and you want to open your search bar and just search for run. From here, we want to type in percentage temp percentage. So this will open the folder for our temporary files. What we want to do is to select all of this and just simply delete. These temporary files may be causing an issue to our Fortnite game. So after we've deleted all of the temporary files, what we want to do is close this and again go to your search bar and type in settings. So just select settings. From here in the search bar, let's type graphics and just select graphic settings. So just here, click on graphics. And from here, just go to add an app and click on browse. Now you want to find your Fortnite game. So just search on Epic Games folder, go to Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and you'll find the application here. So you want to select the exact application and just click on add. From here, you want to click on options and make sure that the graphics is set to high performance. So after you've done all of that, what you want to do is just to restart your computer and hopefully it fixes your problem. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.